Cramer's rule is one of the easiest important method in solving system of linear equations. It can be applied only when the coefficient matrix is a square matrix and non-singular. It can be easily understanding by the following system of equations. Consider the system of equations a11 into x1 plus a12 into x2 plus a13 into x3 is equal to b1, and a21 into x1 plus a22 into x2 plus a23 into x3 is equal to b2, and a31 into x1 plus a32 into x2 plus a33 into x3 is equal to b3. Then consider the system of linear equation in the matrix equation form ax is equal to b. If the system of equation is then the Cramer rule for solving this linear equation is x1 is equal to delta 1 by delta, x2 is equal to delta 2 by delta, and x3 is equal to delta 3 by delta. Then what is delta? Delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Delta is nothing but the determinant form of the coefficient matrix. Listen, this is the coefficient matrix and the variable matrix and the constant matrix B. Then the coefficient matrix A is taken as its determinant form taken as delta. Therefore delta is equal to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. This is delta. Then delta 1 obtained from delta, deleting the coefficient of x1. All the x1 coefficients are removed and insert the constant matrix B, b1, b2, b3, b1, b2, b3, a12, a13, a22, a23, a32, a33. This is delta 1. It's a very simple one. Remove the all x1 coefficients and insert the constant matrix B. Similarly, for x delta 2, remove the coefficients of x2 and insert the B. Therefore we get a11, a21, a31, b1, b2, b3, a13, a23, a33. Similarly, for delta 3, removing the coefficients of x3 and insert the B. Therefore we get a11, a21, a31, a12, a22, a32, B1, B2, B3. It's a very simple one. Thank you.